This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Principles course, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 1, Buttons and Events, Part 20, Design Mode, Add a Label. Now we have the beginning of a little game. Time to go back to design a mode to start embellishing our program. You try it. Add a text label that says try to catch the button. Switch back to design mode. Oh, okay. So design mode, label. Oh, did I grab it? Click and grab and drop it. Oh, I dropped it off the screen, I guess. So you have to edit text down here. So it looks like they moved their starting position. Perfect. And test it out, I guess. Set the text property, set any other property. Okay, and run. That's neat. We're adding more stuff. And my button still changed size because I did kind of go crazy and have that. I might need to change that back. Great, let's keep going.